The new constitution was a struggle, and all these struggles start out there as protests, as demonstrations, but ultimately it is through dialogue, it is through discussions that the people can cut through the noise, people can sieve political differences, ideological differences, and reduce the discussions into implementable resolutions towards supporting the discussion, towards supporting the dialogue that has been proposed by the president and has also been proposed by Azimio, because we cannot resolve our issues if we are not talking, if we are not discussing freely, and if we are not inclusive in that discussion. My further proposition is that the discussion should be free and include as many people who want to participate in it as possible. I want to encourage the young people, the Gen Zs, to seize the opportunity and join in that discussion. Those who are available can join it. Those who choose to protest can continue churning out areas of concern through peaceful protest. But any attempt at refusing to dialogue is not the way to go. There is no other way. There is no other opportunity. There is no other methodology other than Kenyans coming together and discussing.